Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the word docile. You may have heard it before, but what does it actually mean? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use docile in different situations. Let's dive in. So what does docile mean? Docile describes someone or something that is easily taught, gentle, or obedient. It's a word often used to describe a person, animal, or behavior that is calm and willing to follow instructions without resistance. Example: the dog was so docile that it followed every command without hesitation. In this example, docile refers to the dog being easy to train and follow commands. Let's take a look at a few more examples to see how docile is used. The child was very docile, listening carefully to the teacher. She had a docile nature, always going along with everyone's suggestions. The horse was docile and easy to handle during the ride. In these examples, docile refers to someone or something being calm, obedient, and easy to manage. You might be wondering, when should I use the word docile? You can use docile when you want to describe someone or something that is easy to train, gentle, or submissive. It's typically used in contexts involving behavior or personality, whether for people, animals, or even situations. For example, docile animals are those that don't resist and are easy to handle, like certain pets or farm animals. Docile people might be those who are calm, cooperative, and not difficult to work with. Example: the puppy was docile and friendly, making it a great family pet. Quick recap: docile means easily taught, gentle, or obedient. You use it to describe someone or something that is calm, easy to handle, or follows instructions without resistance. It's often used for animals, children, or people with cooperative behaviors. Now that you know what docile means, you can use it confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more English lessons. Drop a comment below if you want me to explain more words. See you next time and keep learning.